Yeah. Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. Today's topic is in triangles 5.2 exercise. Question number 5. Let us read the question once. ABC and DBC. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle. This triangle and this triangle are isosceles triangle are on the same base. This triangle is on the same base BC. This is on the same base BC. And this is also same base BC. This triangle is on the base BC. And this triangle is on the base BC. For both the triangles, base is same. What is same? Base is same. Show that angle ABD. Angle ABD is equal to ACD. Means suppose this is 1 and this is 2. What we have to show? We have to show that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now let us prove this. First of all, we are going to write given. What is given? ABC and BCD. BCD are two isosceles triangle. Are two isosceles triangle are on the same base. Are on the same base BC. For this triangle, the base is BC, and for this triangle also the base is BC. This is given. What is mean by isosceles triangle? Now we are going to do to prove. To prove means what we have to prove. We have to prove angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Okay. Proof. First of all, these two triangles are isosceles triangles. So we can say that by isosceles property, we can say that opposite sides are equal. So can I say AB is equal to AC? Here AB is equal to AC and BD is equal to BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD here. Okay. This is C here. You can see that C here. So by isosceles property, what we can say? Or by isosceles triangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Now consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Okay. Okay, sorry. We take triangle ABD. ABD and ABD, this triangle and ACD. ACD. Okay. What we know that AB is equal to AC by isosceles property. Next, BD is equal to CD. These two are equal by isosceles property. Now see this. This is a common line for this side and for this side. Okay. Suppose, for example, see, this triangle is this side. AD is for this triangle also, and AD is for this triangle also. Therefore, this side is called common side. What it is called? Common side. Okay. This is by given. This is also by given. And this is by common side. AD is equal to AD. This is what? Common side. Now, what we have? 1, 2, 3. Three sides. By SSS criteria or property. What we can say? These two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Now, by CPCT. What is CPCT? I have already explained you. By CPCT, remaining sides and remaining angles are equal. Can I say angle B is equal to angle C? So instead of writing that, I will write ABD. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Now in short form, I'll explain you quickly. See here, all of you. See this. This is the common side for this triangle. This is the common side for this triangle. And this side is equal to this side. Why they are equal? Because isosceles property. This side is equal to this side because isosceles property. We got three sides are equal. Therefore, two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, two angles are also Now see this question number 6. In question number 6, a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Side BA is produced to be such that AD is equal to AB. Show that angle BCD is a right angle triangle. So this is given. What is given? ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AB. AD is equal. So all these three sides are equal. Given ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. It is an isosceles triangle means here two sides are equal. Which side is equal? AB is equal to AC. If opposite sides are equal, we can say opposite angles are also equal. For example, angle 1 is equal to 2. Angle 1 is equal to 2 by isosceles property. What is the isosceles property? If opposite sides are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. Therefore, what is an angle? ABC is equal to ABC is equal to AC B. Suppose this is equation 1. Now, in this triangle, these two sides are equal means these two angles are equal. Suppose 3 is equal to 4. Given AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AC. Then we can say by isosceles property, we can say opposite angles are also equal. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. But what is angle 3? ACD. Angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. ACD is equal to ADC. Suppose this is equation 2. Okay. Now, ACD. Where is ACD? ACD. Okay. CDA. Instead of writing CDA, can I write CDB? This angle from here to here angle also same, and from here to here the angle is also same. Both the sides the angle is same. Okay, if you say this angle is 60 degrees, this angle CDA is also 60, CDB is also 60. Instead of writing ACD, I am writing B. So this is same only. Now instead of this ADC, I am writing BDC. Both are equal. Both are equal. These two are equal. Now this is equation 2. By adding 1 and 2, we'll see what we can get. Oh, you add in such a way that 2 and 3 should be added one side. Where is 2? 2 and 3 should be added one side. Means this plus this. ACB plus ACD is equal to ABC plus BDC. Now observe this. Angle 2 plus 3 is nothing but BCD. So instead of writing ACB plus ACD, can I write BCD? Angle BCD is equal to ABC plus BDC. This is equation 3. Okay. Here I think you have understood. Now we'll take this big triangle. Consider triangle BCD. By angle sum property. What is angle sum property? Sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now, B plus C plus D. You can write BDC, BCD plus CDA, CDB plus BCD, CDB, DBC. DBC must be equal to 180 degrees. These three angles must be equal to 180 degrees. Now B and D is already here. B and D. This 2 is already here. How much it is BCD? This is already BCD same. But instead of this 2, what we can write? Again BCD. Must be equal to 180 degrees. 2 times x plus 6 is how much? 2x is equal to 180 degrees. BCD is equal to 180 by 2. That is equal to 90 degrees. Hope you all understood. Thanks for watching video. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly share and subscribe to my video. Thank you once again. Thank you. Have a nice day. Be safe. Be happy.